For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me: DJI Air 3 has managed to disrupt the drone market with its unparalleled performance and affordability. Therefore, I'm going to share my honest review of this revolutionary device, and you might be wondering if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of DJI Air 3. What sets it apart from other drones on the market? The answer lies in its cutting-edge technology and sleek design. This drone is equipped with a top-of-the-line camera, capable of capturing stunning 8K video at 30 FPS, making it perfect for professional videographers and photography enthusiasts. But there's more to DJI Air 3 than just its impressive specs. It also features a robust flight control system, allowing for seamless transitions between modes and effortless navigation through complex environments. Therefore, you can rely on this drone to deliver high-quality results in various settings. Now, I know what you're thinking: is DJI Air 3 really worth the investment? Let's break down its features and see how they compare to other drones in the market. One of the standout features of DJI Air 3 is its long battery life, which can last up to 46 minutes on a single charge. This means you can capture more footage without having to worry about running out of power. But what really sets DJI Air 3 apart is its advanced obstacle avoidance system, which uses a combination of sensors and AI to detect and avoid obstacles in real time. Therefore, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about accidents. However, as with any device, there are some limitations to consider. DJI Air 3's camera may not be as stable as some other drones, and its range could be improved. Nevertheless, these minor drawbacks don't detract from its overall performance and capabilities. So, is DJI Air 3 the right choice for you? That depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're a professional videographer or photographer looking for high-quality results, then this drone is definitely worth considering. Therefore, I recommend checking out the link in the description below to get the best price. Now that we've discussed DJI Air 3's impressive features and capabilities, let's talk about its design and build quality. The drone itself is made of durable materials and has a sleek, aerodynamic design that makes it easy to handle and transport. Therefore, you can take this drone on the go without worrying about damage or maintenance. But there's another aspect to consider: DJI Air 3's user interface and app experience. Fortunately, the app is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to control the drone remotely with ease. Moreover, it features a range of advanced settings and customizations that enable you to fine-tune your shots and optimize performance. One thing that caught my attention was DJI Air 3's impressive range, up to 15 kilometers on a single charge. This means you can capture more footage without having to worry about running out of power or dealing with signal loss. Therefore, I highly recommend this drone for anyone who wants to push the limits of their creative potential. Now that we've explored DJI Air 3's features and capabilities in detail, let's talk about its price point. At around $1,500, it may seem like a significant investment. However, considering its advanced technology, robust design, and long battery life, I believe this drone is worth every penny. Therefore, if you're serious about taking your photography or videography to the next level, then DJI Air 3 is definitely worth checking out. For the best price, click the link in the description below to get started on your creative journey today.